Hello, Michael Tellinger here to tell you about our very special Easter weekend event, which will include music, jazz, blues. There'll be lectures and workshops. There'll be demonstrations of ancient advanced technology. By that I mean the Torus stones, the unbelievable, mysterious Torus stones that have brought so much new thoughts and ideas about ancient advanced technology that boggles the mind. I'll take you through the Stone Circle Museum. We'll go and see the ruins, and all in all, just a great time together with people of like mind and sharing ideas, fun and drinks and lots of good conversation over breakfast and dinner. And just a different kind of environment with different kinds of conversation that you don't always find. So I hope that you're going to join us here. It's going to be a truly exciting time. It always is. You know, when we finish these weekends, everybody that joins us is always so sad to leave because it is such an unusual place where you meet people, where no one is afraid to talk their mind and share ideas that under normal conditions they might be ridiculed for or called conspiracy theorists or crazy or anything like that. Well, that doesn't happen at Stone Circle Lodge and Museum. This is where we get together people that want to explore, that are hungry for knowledge and more information, combined with incredible music with Barbara and John and our friend Mike Slavin and various other musicians that will be joining us, giving us a variety of music from jazz, vocal, instrumental, and then obviously blues that everybody loves. So I hope you're going to join us here if you can. 3 to 6 April 2026, Stone Circle Lodge, our special musical and knowledge gathering event. Go to our website, stonecirclelodge.co.za, and email Barbara and John to book your space before we run out at info@stonecirclelodge.co.za. I hope to see you here. Until then, bye for now.